Hello. Okay. So now everything should work. I hope you're hearing me fine. Um, yeah, so today I'm just going to do research and plan the project. Yeah. Then maybe we're gonna start with some art or with some player movement, just some Godot testing. So this is the to-do for today. I'm gonna take this, where can I put it right now? Let's put it in the corner here. Yeah, that should look good. Okay, so I already have a small GDD. Yeah. So the maybe do I add the GDD in the description? Maybe not right now. Okay. Let me check something quick. Okay. Yeah. So the game should be pixel art 2D open world RPG, I would say. You play a little worm and you're in an alien cyberpunk like city. I just have a small story. Where is it? Story here. You, Walter, that's the player's name, lost your family to the underground development laboratory of an unknown organization. So they were kidnapped and you just found the corpses. You try to find information on the organization to kill the leader. So pretty simple story, and the first story game I'm making. Yeah. Let's go. I hope you can hear me, but from what I'm seeing, it should good. Concept art, yeah. Yeah. So I played some Enter the Gungeon, and I like the movement and the fighting loop. And I want the city and the NPCs to feel like a cyberpunk city. So some other species and maybe, yeah, and in cyberpunk style. I think, wait, that should be the one. Yeah. Why is this German right now? English, United States. Where can I change the language settings for my Google Docs? Okay, no, I'm not gonna change this right now, maybe later. Yeah, but this is the player right now. And everything should be in this really simple block style with pixel art. Yeah. This is the temporary logo I made. Can you see this? Nope. Nope. Okay. Quality looks good. Yeah, you can see it good. I'm gonna make this. Yeah, the stream looks good, but it doesn't show this. Okay. Yeah, then this should also be English. Okay, now everything looks right. Yeah, so now we're gonna start with some Godot research. And that means documentation. Love it. I'm making the game in C#, so I already have some experience with C#. I made a little game in Unity. That was my first game, Granny's Highway. You can try it in the description. There is a speech bubble with try Granny's Highway that will send you to the itch.io page. It's not good, I know, but for the first game it's not so bad. Now let's go with what am I doing? I'm gonna link. Okay, yeah, so now everything should look good. Yeah. Okay. Then go to documentation. Getting started. Introduction. Let's go. Yeah, no, that doesn't really interest me. Yeah, C#. He's 50, yeah, I know this. Yeah. The key concept, first the Godot interface. That should be interesting. Oh, I have this open. Yeah, no. I don't want this up here. So, when you launch Godot first Windows, the project manager. Wait, let me. So okay. Yeah. I already created my game. The project. Yeah. Okay. So we're here. Godot editor. We have. What? We have the 2D map with the nodes. The top edge, menu, workspace. Yeah, so here's the active scene that I'm in. The view things. Why can't I switch? Okay, I don't have a script file, maybe that. But why does nothing work here? Come on. Hey, come on. Okay, I think my Godot just crashed. Come on. Oh yeah, that got closed. Yeah, my Godot crashed. That's nice. Yeah. Task manager. Do your thing and kill that thing. What the fuck? Kill it. Nice. Okay. Godot. And water worm. Okay, now it's responsive. Yeah, the 3D view, the script view, well, that I want to use, and my asset lib is just. Oh, okay, this is an open asset. Yeah, but not gonna use this for now. I want to code as much as I can myself. So yeah, okay, we have this toolbar. Yeah. 2D toolbar, 3D main screen, TV. Okay, so these are named docs. The file system, scene, and the inspector. And at the bottom is the bottom panel. You use a 2D screen, 2D games, where you build your interfaces. Okay, yo, what the fuck is this? You know, I'm gonna do 2D, yeah. Script screen, we're not gonna use this, I'm gonna use false code. And the asset lib, we already found that. Integrate class references, building class. Okay, yeah, the help. Okay, that's good, but yeah. What the fuck is that? Project manager. No. So. Oh. Nope. English. Let's go. Okay. Learning new features. What are these? Make the most of the manual. Campaign class reference. Okay. On and offline. That's good. Click the body to do. Inherits. Okay, yeah, that's good. Learning to think like a programmer. Yeah, GPP. Learning the community. Yeah, no. Interface layer. Layer? Okay. Yeah. Godot design. No. Step by step. Okay. Notes and scenes. Yeah, that's interesting because I don't understand notes. I'm from Unity and I don't know how the nodes work with the scripts. One building blocks of the game. Greens are there are dozens of kinds that can display an image, play sounds, camera, and much more. All nodes have the following characteristics: a name, attribute properties, receive callbacks of this every frame. You can extend them with the new property functions. You can add them to another node as a child. So the characters, there are nodes from a tree that can profit feature to organize projects. Since different nodes have different functions, combining them produces more complex behavior. So, yeah. Scenes. When you organize nodes in tree, like character record this. Oh, okay. Once saved, scenes work like a new node. Types in the editor where you can add from child. It's node in the case. Okay. So every parent object in Unity would be a scene in Godot's types. Okay. Here's the scene. Okay. Creating a label. Parents. Okay. TSCN. Running the scene. Okay. Okay. So now I'm understanding nodes. I better than before, of course. So I'm not exactly creating an empty object, the node, but I'm creating the script directly instead of the graphical, since I can think like it's just the classes that I'm creating as objects. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Creating instances. I hope the music is not too loud. If it is, you can tell me. Precisely sort the scenes collection of nodes, tree structure. You can create as many scenes as you like and save them as files in a TSCN extension, which stands for text scene. The label TSCN file from the previous lesson was an example. We call those files packed scenes, as they pack information about your scene's content. Okay. So an example of ball comports a rigid body 2D node as its root named ball, which allows the ball to fall and bounce on walls. A sprite 2D node and collision shape 2D. Okay. Once you have saved the scene, it works like a blueprint. You can reduce it in other scenes as many times as you like, replacing an object as. Oh! So a scene is not. It's just the group of nodes. So it's like a prefab in Unity that I can create as a game object. That's nice. So I can create the scenes like maps or something and load them independently, and don't need to create use something like the scene manager to load and unload. That's good. Every instance of the ball scene starts with the same structure and properties of its ball TSCN. However, you can modify each independently, such as changing how they bounce, how heavy they are, or any property exposed to the source scene. Okay, yeah. Instant practice how it works in Godot. We invite you to download the board some project. Nope, I'm not going to do that. Checked. Nope. Yeah. Import stuff. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, wait. So, what is this? Okay, so there I can find scenes. That's, yeah. Good. The ball appears on top. One, yeah, 0, 0. And with that we can let them bounce. Okay, yeah, that works like everything else. So, unchanged space balance because it's a resource and it's been unique. Okay, yeah, like a shader. Scene instance and design language. Okay, maybe we can understand this. Instance scenes in Godot often excellent design language, setting the engine apart from others, but from others out there. We designed Godot around the concept from the ground up. Recommend dismissing abstract code patterns when making games with Godot, such as a model view controller or entity relationship diagrams. Oh, no RP, okay. Instead, you can start by imagining the element players will see in your game and structure your code around them. For example, you could break down a shooter game like so. With a stage where everything is loaded, the enemy can build himself, weapon instance by code, player ship, enemy, obstacle, hard mark. Okay. So it's still like architecture, but it's not hierarchical. You can come up with a diagram like this for almost any type of game. Each rectangle represents an entity that's visible in the game from the player's perspective. The arrows tell you which scene owns which. Oh, so it's in Umel. Almost. Okay, yeah, that's good. To come up with the diagram, yeah. Okay. Once you have done, you can recommend creating a scene for each element listed in it. To develop your game, you will be using instancing either by code or directly in the editor. To build your tree of scenes, programmers tend to spend a lot of time designing exact architectures and trying to fit components into it. Designing based on scenes makes development faster and more straightforward, allowing you to focus on the game logic itself. Because most of the game components map directly to a scene, using a design based on the scene instantiation means you need a little more architectural code. Here's an example of a scene diagram for an open world game with tons of assets and nested elements. Yeah, that. Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, I understand that. Imagine we start by creating a room, with different room scenes with unique arrangement of furniture in them. Later we create house scenes that makes multiple room instances for the interior. We would create a citadel out of many instances houses in a large terrain on which we would place the citadel. Each of these would be a scene instancing one or more sub-scenes. Later we could create scenes representing guards and add them to the citadels. They would be indirectly added to the overall game world. With Godot, it's easy to iterate on your game like this. That's all you need to do is to create and instigate more scenes. We designed the editor to be accessible for programmers, designers, and authors alike. The team development process can involve 2D or 3D artists, level designers, game designers, and animators, all working with Godot editor. Okay, that's nice. Summary, no. Scripting languages. GD script, C Sharp, and GD technology. C and C++. Oh wow. The more community support languages, but these are the official ones. Okay, that's nice. Can use multiple languages in a single project, for instance. Okay, that's cool. Which language should I use? If you're a beginner, we could start with GD script. Nope, I'm gonna use C Sharp. Like this code, yeah, I'm gonna use this. Yeah, nope. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna use. Yeah, I have already set up, so yeah. Okay, so this is an example for C++. Okay. Creating first script. Okay. Right. Touch script. Okay. Yeah. GD.print. Okay. So override process. What is process? It starts with the leading underscore by convention. Godot's virtual functions. That is to say, built-in functions you can override to communicate with the engine. Start with an underscore. Okay. So these are the ones I can override. But what is underscore process? Is that like the Unity update function or the line inside the rotation? Yeah, I understand that. In this, notice how the delta arguments taken by the is double. We therefore need to convert it to float when you apply it to the rotation. Double? Yeah, in cast, okay. But to move argument of the position relation every frame in the game loop, we can use the process virtual function of the node class. If you define it in any class that extends the node class, like sprite2d, Godot will call the function every frame and pass it in an argument named delta. The time elapsed since the last frame. Oh! Okay, I understand. So process is like the update function, but we also get the time since last frame, so we can do an times delta time, something like that. Yeah, that's time delta. Rotation every frame. Here rotation is probably inherited from the class node, which to the rate extends. It controls rotation of the node and works with radians. Okay. Convert float, yeah. First, let's make a node move by following two lines further inside of process functions, ensuring the new lines of the indent the same way as rotation, angular speed, delta line for them. So, velocity, up rotated rotation, times speed. Is velocity times delta. Okay. public override process is the update function. That's normal int, float, double, cast, velocity. Why is a var? Position, velocity, delta. Okay. Works, but my image was becomes deciding frozen worked for me. Okay, convince square things and for other preference placing can be turned off via CLI, via otherwise some change menu, yeah. Hi for the hello in shop working until I call to print in a ready method. Okay, let's try that. Let's make a little script and yeah. So we create a simple node and call it. Come on, node 2D maybe, and yeah. What am I gonna do? Yeah, let's do a sprite. Where, oh yeah, texture. Let's icon. Let's do this for now. So and this. How can I change the camera? How? Oh, I first need to create a camera. That would be not good. So 2D camera 2D create. Yeah, and nope, I don't want. Oh, okay, I fucked up. Or do I? No. Yeah, so this is a camera, and it has here the sprite 2D in the middle. That's what I want. Now let's create a script. I hope it saves that. Inherits this template. What is the difference? Having a certain name is desired. Yeah, so let's try this testing shit. And let's first try the object empty. It's for all objects and okay. Yeah, let's try this for now. And maybe save this as the testing shit scene. Okay, yeah, now we have this there, and yeah, this. Oh, come on. Don't crash on me, please. Come on. Oh my god. Why is it lagging? I mean, it's... Okay, now this works. I don't want to use that. Why? Come on, guys. I have this scripts testing shit. Okay. I hope you can see that. No, you can't. Let me... Yeah, that looks good. Maybe. For now. Not for now. That should work. So we have the sprite 2D that we are getting this from. Testing shit. Partial class. What is a partial class? I never heard that before. Yeah, the ready, that's It says start. Yeah. No, that's awake. That should be awake. And this is the update. Nope, I don't. What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Don't recommend me this shit. And this is the Unity start slash awake. Just so I remember that. And I want to know what C#. Partial class? What the fuck is a partial class? Class methods in right. Just split the definition of a class and a structure method over 2 or more source files. Each source file contains a section of all parts are combined from questions. Oh. Huh? But why? Why would I want that here? If I'm... Do I need that? Do I need the partial class? I think I can... Was put that little bit on the lower part. And... Okay. I hope you're hearing that good. And it's not too loud or too quiet. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Yeah, okay. Let's try the public void testing shit. No, what the fuck am I doing? And let's use gd print hello world. And if I'm gonna... It's connected, right? Yeah, testing shit. And play. Select current. That's for now the main scene. Building.net project. Failed to build project. Members' names can't be the same as enclosing type. What? But it's... Oh, I can't use a constructor. What? Wait. Select delete nomination declarations. Indicates interface. All paths must use the partial keyword. Paths must not begin from all must be the same explicitly, such as public, private, and so on. If any part is declared abstract, then the whole type is considered abstract. If any part is declared sealed, then the whole type is considered sealed. If declared base type, then the whole type is considered the class. All parts speak base class must agree, but parts that omit the base class still have the base type. Parts can specify different base interfaces, and the final type implements all the interfaces listed by all the British declarations. Okay, but this still doesn't really show me why. The rules follow. Parts at the same time must refer to partial, for example. Generate an error. Partial modifier can also be for okay. This partial types allow using for example. Okay. Same module. Same class unit type must be partial definitions. Foreign keywords partial type. Okay, but no. For example, the first class declared in one partial class definition and the member partial classes in other partial class. Okay. Interface, but does the constructor work? Yeah, it should, from what it's showing here. So member names can be the same as their enclosing type. 12, 14. 12, 14. Yeah. It's the same, but what am I doing wrong? Am I fucking blind? Oh my god, I'm fucking blind. Oh my god. I'm fucking stupid. It should be constructor, not a function. Now this should work. I'm stupid. Okay. And hello world. Okay, and it seems like we fixed it. That's good. Maybe let's see what calls first, the constructor or the ready? Constructor or the gd print ready. Okay, the constructor calls first, then the ready. That's good to know. So let me Godot notes. Nope, I'm not gonna let this here. Don't save it. I'm gonna. Where is it? Documentation. Godot notes. Okay, so the function, let's put the ready function is like the wake / start function from Unity. With process or yeah, process the process function is like the update function in from Unity. Okay, runtime. Let's call it ready. Call time. The constructor calls before the ready. Okay, so let's save that and continue with this. So we now know that it's first the constructor and then ready. Let me close this. That's nice. Okay, where were we? Yeah, that's normal. Okay. Listening to play input. That's good to know. Then building upon the previous lesson, creating a first script. Let's look at other important feature of any game, giving control to the player. To add this, we need to modify our sprite to decode. To main tools process player inputs Godot. The built-in input callbacks, mainly unhandled input, like process, is built-in virtual function that Godot calls every time the player presses the key. It's a tool you want to use to react to events you don't have in every frame, like pressing space to jump. To learn more about input callbacks, you see using input event. The input singleton is a singleton globally accessible object. Godot provides access to several inscripts. Okay, it's the right tool to check for input every frame. You know, I think I'm gonna use the events. It should be faster, right? Because I'm not always calling every frame. We're going to use the input singleton here, as we need to know the player wants to turn or move every frame. For turning, we should use a new variable direction in a process function. Yeah, your left, your right. Okay, so they have something like the input actions in Unity. Let me see, that should be in the project settings, input map, right? Built in. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so you accept, select, cancel. Left is left joypad. What is that? Oh. Okay, so these are the arrow keys, or what is this? Let me check that. What was it called? UI underscore left, right? Yeah, that. So this is in the process. So this is input testing. If input dot, okay, so input is a singleton. If input dot get in action, okay, in action, one in action pressed, and now we need to use the UI left, right? Yeah, damn. And we call gd print input. That should work. Oh, come on. Please don't crash. Why is it always freezing? Is it because I'm using external? Oh yeah, it is. Damn. Is he sure? Come on. That's shit. Why does it load so long? Come on. Okay. But in the stream everything should work fine, right? I hope everything works. Because here it isn't. Come on. Come on. Why? Okay. Fuck it. Task manager. I hope I didn't destroy anything right now. Okay, so now everything should work. I hope. Okay, so you have the game. We have constructor and the ready, and okay, so it's not A. Yeah, okay. So these are the arrow keys, not W and everything. Close that. And let's look through the input maps. Where do we have do we have only UI stuff here, or yeah, no. UI menu. What the fuck is menu? Okay, so we should add our own, or do we just add the things we want to the UI things? If there's anyone, it would be nice if you could help me, because I don't know shit. I'm just gonna do that right now, I think. I hope. Okay, let's start with UI left at A. Edition, no, just A. So now we have A. That's D. Okay. Up should be W. And UI down is S. Okay, so now this should give us WSD, right? So if I close this and UI left is A. Left, right, up, down, okay. Please don't crash. No, he didn't. That's nice. Okay. So A, D, W, S. Nice. So we have the inputs now for the player to move. That's nice. We have progress. Okay, so let's continue with the docs. Input action pressed. Okay. Value mean wants to turn right, it's left. Okay. So we set this ourselves. To check if a key was pressed in this frame we call input is action pressed. The okay. Method takes a text string representing input action which returns true if the action is pressed, false otherwise. The two actions we use above, UI left, UI right, are predefined and global. Yeah, okay, we already have that. Finally, we use direction multiplier. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna use this. Moving when pressed up. The only move when pressing a key, we need to modify the code that calculates the velocity. Uncomment the code and replace the line starting with far. Yeah, okay, no. Complete script. Yeah, not really something I want to use. Using signals. What are signals? Signals, yeah. Limits coupling means flexible. For example, you might have a life bar on the screen facing the player's health. When the player takes damage or uses healing potion, you want the bar to reflect the change. To do so, in Godot you would use signals, like call with signs. Okay, so it's like a call something without having fast strings, which allows for better auto completion and in less error prone. See the signal class reference for a list of what you can do with the signal type directly. We'll now use the signal to make a Godot icon from the previous lesson. We'll move and stop by pressing the button. I will be following Godot naming conventions. Descript, class nodes, partial codes, classes, export values in pass case, yeah. Private fields, camel case, lower variables, parents use camel case. Yeah, okay, I'm using that too. So add a button to a game. We will create a new scene which will include both a button and the scene we created on the first script lesson. Okay, so create a new scene with a button. There you are. Click and drag the button itself to move close to the sprite. You can also write a label on the button, yeah. Connecting a signal tool in the editor. You want to connect the button's press signal to a sprite 2D and you want to call a new function will toggle its motion on off. We'll need to have a script attached to the sprite 2D node which will do from the previous lesson. You can connect signals in the node dock, selecting the button. Okay. The button displays a list of signals variables on the selected node. Double click the press signal to open the node connection window. Okay. Then you can connect the signal. So this is like the on-click event in Unity. I'm using Unity for reference because I'm understanding how it works. This is the event trigger on-click event, right? Click the connect button, use the connection, jump to the script workspace. Choose a new method with the connection icon in the left margin. Okay. Yo, what the fuck? So, is this auto? Oh. Okay. Let's place pass keyword moves thanks to code and process function. Godot provides method toggle processing on off. Nodes set process. Okay, so we can disable the update function. Other of the node class is processing returns true if idle. Processing if act is active. We can use the not keyword to invert the value. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay. For trying again, we need to simply a process function to move the node automatically and not wait for the user input. Place it with the following code which we saw 2 lessons ago. Okay, yeah. So this is okay. We can do it via code. This time node and skill cooldown times. Okay. Timer. I need an extra node. Connect. Timeout. Get node timer. Okay, so this I need to get them by the name. So I think the UI version is better, right? Or I need to be careful of renaming things, because in Unity you could just drag and drop them in via the inspect. Yeah, okay, it doesn't really change anything, right? Yeah. Okay. So can understand that timer plus timeout. Yeah. Okay. Custom signals. Okay. Custom for want to show game over screen when play test reaches 0. To do so, you could define a signal named died or health depleted when the health reaches 0. Okay, so is this a function? Oh, okay, so this is an event that I created. Okay, but how would I call this? Okay. To emit a signal in the scripts, call emit on the signal. So we take damage, health, emit signal name dot health depleted. Okay. And this would then how would I call this? Okay. Think option declared one or more arguments. So argument names between the parentheses. Yeah, okay, this is normal. To emit values along the signal and add them to extra argument to the emit function. Yeah, okay. Any node. Oh, come on. Okay. Signals one phase pass through, but writing signals for one too many or many too many events can be time consuming and difficult to maintain. For example, when an enemy dies, there may be many other nodes that need to react. A game manager keeping score, a player with experience points, an enemy spawner, and so on. There may also be many types of nodes that could affect the score or experience points, and maintaining all these conditions can become complex. One way to easily manage these kinds of signals is through creating a signal bus based on the event bus architecture pattern. It's a single script that contains signals for events that will need to be dispatched to many other nodes, allowing scripts to emit events without knowing or caring which other nodes are connected to the event, vice versa. Creating a signal bus is quickly and simple. Add a new script and register it as an auto load with the global variable. Check them. Then create any signal you need there. Sense node can define any signal enemy die. Okay, now any script that would emit that event, do so the signal bus directly. Function whatever button. Signal bus that enemy died. That emit something. Okay, so this will be sent to this. Okay. Finally, all other scripts that needs to be aware of the events can connect to the signal bus signal. Function connect. Okay, so you can connect. Oh, now I understand. Which provides separate signals for each event-based procedure connection between object classes. Okay. So. Signal we code, you need to call the connect method of the signal you want to listen to, in case you want to listen to. Okay, now I understand. For some part. First, I'm creating. Here. First, where is it? Okay, this is the signal. Then I can send to the signal with emit signal and get things from the signal with connect, if I'm understanding it right. Wait, menu must be something, right? Animation, file, input, signal. Come on, yeah. Okay, this signal. Declared. So arguments must be passed when submitted. Object. Okay. Methods. Okay. with no object or as a name bound. Construct a signal as a copy of the given signal. I can create copies. It's a new signal named signal in the specified object. Okay. Connect the signal to a specified callable option. Optional flags can also be added to configure the behavior. See flags constants. You can provide additional arguments with the connect callable using callable bind. Signal can only be connected once to the same callable. If the signal is already connected, returns global pushes error messages unless the signal is connected with connect reference counter. To prevent this, use is connected first to check if the existing connection. Okay. So for button in get children button press connect on. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Okay, press connect on press bind button. I don't understand. Okay, this disconnects. Means the signal icon will be triggered. This method spots all variable number of arguments of get connections. I still don't understand it. So these are events that can be sent, but I don't understand. How do I connect? So button pressed connect, on button pressed bind. Yeah, so I have mob called class, the partial class enemy signal public delegate void squashed event handler. Void squash, emit signal squash. Q3. Try to get the signal on the script, emit signal name squash. Showing this error. I need. Okay, the forum. Okay. Get node. Connect. I don't understand. Let's watch this video together.
Hello guys and welcome to episode 5 in my Godot 4 tutorial series. Today we're gonna have a look at custom signals. Yesterday I created the tutorial for Godot 3.5, so if you want to have the custom signals for that you can find it here. Alright, you can download the source code on my Git advance. We have a main scene, we have a place 3 custom signal script, and we're gonna rename this CSS. And before we continue, we're gonna have a look at the Godot document. So what we need to do is first of all, the delegate needs to by deleting this guy now full length, auto load, We're going to go to Assets, Shared, Custom Signals, and find our custom signal CS file and click on Open. And click on Add up here. And click on Close. Save the main scene. I'm going to go to the player scene. Right click the player. I'm going to click here on Attach Script. Yes. And click on Open. Select everything. I'm going to delete this stuff. First, we're going to add the variable for our custom signals. Then we need to add the ready method in here as well, so we can initialize stuff. And here, we're going to get hold of our singleton. And this name here is the same name that you set up here in project settings for the autoload. So the custom signals name here must be equal to the name you set inside of the code here. So this is how we access the singleton. And to connect to the signal, we're going to type custom signals. And if we check in the custom signals file, we're going to grab hold of the damage player there. And we say plus equals, which is the new way of writing signals with events in Godot 4. And then the method we want to run. So let's add the handle damage player method in here now. Like so. And we have the same signature here as we have here on the custom signals. We have the int there. The same way we need to pass in the int here. Because the method here needs to match.
Now I understand. Yeah.
We're going to need some more variables as well. We're going to have our health.
Okay, so I'm subscribing to the event.
Health going to be minus equals to the damage amount that's coming in. Like so.
Okay. So I'm subscribing. It's like subscribing to the input actions in Unity. That's really shit. What they showed me here. Like, what the fuck is this? Okay. That helps. Then let's go back to this. Are we here? Nope. Well, where are we? Step by step by step? Using see. Ah, okay. We are done with the. I'm thinking I'm gonna take a small break before I'm going to continue with the first 2D game section. So I'll be right back, and I'm going to put the music back on.
Suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. There's a feel you're getting lost, the feel you're trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I was so caught up thinking about myself, never took time to listen. Couldn't see that you were going through hell. Now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding. Read me those lines, but they lost the meaning. I know something isn't right. See the demons in your eyes. I know you're afraid. I feel you getting lost. I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever whenever you talk, you stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts. Surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. Won't you tell me now? You never answer when I call, locked in your room and so withdrawn. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I feel you getting lost, I feel you turning up. I feel it in your eyes when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal, so subliminal. About the way that your eyes shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts. Surrounded by
Don't walk away from me. 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 Don't walk away. 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 Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away. Don't walk away from. Here we go. Don't walk away from me. 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 Don't walk away, don't walk away, don't walk away from me. Don't walk away, don't walk away, don't walk away from me. Don't walk away, don't walk away, don't walk away from me. Don't walk away, don't walk away, don't walk away from me. Don't walk away, don't walk away, don't walk away, don't walk away from me. Don't walk away, don't walk away from. Here we go. Don't walk away from me. 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 Don't walk away from me.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, so let's continue with your first 2D game. I hope that's gonna show how it works. Okay. In this step-by-step tutorial series, you will create your first complete 2D game with Godot. By the end of the series, you will have a simple yet complete game of your own, like the image below. Okay. I'm just gonna read through it, I'm not really gonna test it, only some little things, maybe. So, setting up project, yeah, we know that. Viewport, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone for now. Organizing, yeah, no, I have my own. Let me play a scene. You know, should I continue with this or just start with my thing? I mean, I have a good idea for what I want, so why not just start with that now? But first I'm gonna take a quick look at here. Everything looks good, bitrate looks good, so yeah. We start with the thing, yeah. So testing shit is now gonna... no, wrong. Oh, that's good to know. I want it like this. Hope you can still read it. If you can't, just write in the chat. This is testing shit. We don't need that anymore. Let's create a folder player, and we new file player movement system. That was dumb, because I'm gonna create it from here. So we have this player, create new script, root type, 2D scene. I know. We're gonna create a new scene. So create new scene player TSCN. Okay, root name player. Okay. So this is player. This is just a node 2D. Perfect. So create a child node, and that child node is a sprite 2D first. That's the body, and but first I'm gonna look at the documentation. One, two. How it's called? Wait, scripting? No. Input handling? Nope. 2D? Come on. Control. What is control? Graph, item, menu. Okay, so this is not control like player controller, right? This is UI. They should have the player controller. That should be player controller. HP, skeleton, timer. Countdown timer. No, there is nothing. What is window? Accepted dialog. Firm dialog. Pop up. Okay, yeah, no. So yeah, with this for the movement body, and then we need to add. How is it? What is it? Do we add the camera to the player? I would say so. So yeah, let's create the camera and add another child for the node 2D. Where is it? Mesh? No. Collision shape 2D. Yeah, that's the right thing. No, I want that, and this must enter the body, right? Only subscribe the collision shape to collision object to the draft node. Please only use this shot of area to the static body with body to check the oh! So this wait, if I okay, so let's first assets player, and I'm gonna add the stupid thing first. Projects. I'm gonna show everyone right now. Where is it? What a worm. Concept art. Where is it? Oh, I have only. Ah, this is so. Okay, that's right. Come on. I have two. Okay. Export as give. We want the player placeholder sprite canvas selected. Oh, should I? Nope. Visible selection. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh. PNG. Export. Export animation in 8 files. Cancel. Export as PNG frames. Selected frames. Export. Okay. So now I should, yeah, there's a placeholder one, and I can drop that in, right? Importing, and there's the, that's that. That should now work, right? Quick load, asset, placeholder. Yeah. But it should be bigger, right? Yeah. Now it's small. Transform. So should I set the scale, or I really don't want to increase the scale. Oh wait, if I zoom by 5. Animation offset, texture, filter, nearest. Yeah, nearest. Okay, that should look good. And the shape is of quick load. Okay, so I first need to add a shape here. 2D audio buffer. Where is it? 2D shape sprite. Where's the shape? Shape, collision shape, no 2D. Why? this rigid? No, I don't want physics. What was it? What can it? Collision, shape, static body, rigid, character body. Maybe use character body? Character. This is still... Is this a static body then? What? There's no shape, can't collide. So adding collision shape to D, collision polygon to D, try to find shape. Quick load. Huh? Why can't I add any shape? It's circle shape to D, rectangle. Yeah, I'm gonna add rectangle. Like that. And please only use it as a child of area to D, static body to D, rigid body to D. Okay, so this... Okay, now I think that should work. I hope so. And I hope this doesn't have physics. Does it have physics? I hope not. Okay, then player. Save branch as scene. No, this is already in scene, so it doesn't matter. But attach script. That is a player movement controller. Yeah. C#. Yeah, that's safe. No, why in scenes? No. Scripts. Player. Yeah, create. Why? No. Don't open. I don't want to use Rider right now. Why is it trying to open Rider? Project settings? No, not here. In editor settings. What is it? Text editor external. Force code. Why does it try to use Rider? Okay, what I just gonna install this. Come on. Damn, it's laggy. Okay. Yeah, everything should be back. You're seeing everything. Then I can close this. Delete, delete, delete. Uninstall and close it. Okay, but we have that. Yeah, there it is. movement controller. Let me remove that, and let's start with private float. Movement speed, let's set it to 5 for now. Private float. No, doesn't really need anything, right? Okay, so ready, process and private void move. So with int x, int y. Okay, so what are we doing? How are we going to do that? Yeah, okay, sprite, collision shape. Inherit. 2D. Essentially to rebuild portions which we want to see new explorers or secrets. Penetrate clicking build button. Yeah? Inspector. Oh! Okay, so I can... Oh, that is... Do I need to be the public? Or can I do it here? So, export. And now it should be visible in the inspector, from what they're saying. Yeah. Editor. What is? Oh, okay, no. No. Kick load. Set script. That's nice. But how can I find? Wait. I said build, so let me do that. And yeah, nice. That is. Okay, so they have that. That's good. I hope that helps in the future. Okay, so movement speed 5, and now we're gonna do the movement. That's interesting. Nations. Come on. How am I? Not math. Input? No. Where is it? Performance? No. Rendering. Export. Nations. File. Internalization. Navigation? No. That's not either. Come on. There must be core features, maybe. No. Platform, physics, performance. Come on. Am I gonna do that with physics or with position teleporting? I think physics would be best, right? Just don't use any gravitation. Right? So then I don't need the static, but I need the physics. Rigid. The rigid body 2D. And add the collision shape to this. And just... where is it? Delete. Yeah. Rectangle. Rigid body, mass, gravity scale. Let me put that to 0. And now if I play, he shouldn't fall. I hope so. Yeah, no. Fuck. Nice, he doesn't fall. Okay, now we can do the thing and add movement. Physics. No, there's physics. Using rigid body. How to control a rigid body? Let's wait, yeah. Okay. Oh. So maybe I should add the flat to the rigid body? Yeah. Damn. Okay. So that's wrong. And I need to delete this. Remove. Don't save. Testing shit, and let's make a rigid body 2D. Call this layer. Add child nodes like the shape cast. Collision shape. And there we're gonna add the sprite. And you need a rectangle. You got a camera. You got a sprite. Okay, sprite. texture nearest. Nice. Okay. Then we have player. Speed 5 and the rich body. But that's not the rich body. So it's not the 2D, but a rigid body 2D. That should help. And see. Follow. Oh, come on. Six. Linear mass. Methods. Integrate forces. What the fuck is that? So, integrate forces. Called during physics processing allows you to read and safely modify the simulation state for the object. By default, it's called before the standard force integration, but the custom integrator properly allows you to disable the standard force integration, fully custom force integration for a foreign body. But I still don't know what it is. So, how do I add the impulse? The thing, right? Try central impulse. Every frame would result in a frame dependent force. Should only use when sending one-time impacts using a force function. Otherwise, let's see, force functions. It applies direct force without effect notation. A force is time-dependent meant to be applied every physics update. Yeah, that's what I want. It's an applied force. Okay. Position. Force position. Okay, no. We want the central force, and then change it with the vector. Okay, so public override void. Wie heißt das? How's it called? Damn! Integrate forces. Integrate forces. What? Build safely modify. Yeah. Base. Okay, so how do we modify a self? What is self? C# 2D. Top-down movement. Let's go.
Weißt du, egal ob du dich für links oder rechts entscheidest, beide sind lecker knusprig und einfach zum Reinbeißen.
Weißt du,
Oh, ja.
egal ob
Now-
du dich
now
für links
you're-
oder
now
rechts
you're
entscheidest,
hearing
beide sind lecker.
German ads, so we're gonna watch that, right? Sorry. But I'm not gonna pay for YouTube premium. Another ad, come on, fuck off. Come on. Okay, so now
Game
we're gonna watch.
in Godot. Maybe a 2D Zelda-like or something similar. One of the first things you start to work on is the player. But how can we make it move? In this video, I will show you how you can add top-down movement to your player using C#. If you prefer working with GDScript, then I already have a similar video for this video. So a player scene for the project.
So we have
The player
Oh.
scene has a character body 2D node as the root. And other than that, it just has a sprite 2D for now. I've also added an instance of the player scene to the world scene.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's just follow this for now. So I'm not gonna save that because I fucked up big time, and we're gonna delete this again. I'm gonna delete this again, and in the testing shit I'm gonna delete this shit again. So now we're clean, I would say, and I can delete this shit for now. And since we create a new scene, we call this demo, let's say dev world 2D scene. Okay, so now we have dev world, and I'm gonna create child node character body, right? That was a character body.
Character body 2D node as the
Yeah, that's a character body. Create. That's the player. And this is, wait, let me save branch as scene. Yeah, so scenes, player, let me make this and save. So now we have two scenes, one's a player, one's a dev world. And we can, wait, let me close this, don't save. Let me save this. And we go in the player scene, nice. And we add a sprite 2D. This is the player body, where we add quick load and add the sprite. Don't forget to make this nearest, and we may need a camera. Okay, and 5 zoom. Good. Now that we have the camera, what do you have a problem? There's no shape. Okay, so with a shape with a rectangle shape, and I'm gonna put that inside. Oh, it doesn't really fit. Okay, so that's the collider. I think I can collider like this, right? Yeah. Okay. Motion.
root. And other than that, it just has a sprite 2D for now. I've also added an instance of the player scene to the world scene. And I've set the viewport and window override in the project settings, and also the stretch properties, so it all fits a Zelda-like pixel art game. If you need help doing any of this series, this coding later on, there are links to the middle of the screen. And now we want to move it around. First, we add a script to the root node of the player scene. Here we must remember to select C# as the language and select where we want to store the file. I'm just placing it in the player folder I created when I made the scene. Okay, so if you have everything set up to use Visual Code like I have, then the new script should now automatically open in Visual Code. What we want to do in this script is to change the player's velocity and then use this to move it using the move and slide function at the end.
Why?
To do this,
okay. Why does it try to get Rider? I said specifically to use false code. Okay, but if I open like this, why? Modules, mono editor, Godot tools, IDEs, Rider. That's bullshit. What the fuck you doing? Manage editor features? No. Editor settings. No. Editor, no. External. Theme, behavior. Yeah. Script list, no. Completion, help, external, false code. What the? External. Come on. Come on. Why do you try to use Rider? Come on. Godot wants to open the external editor and set. Can why? Okay. I have to point to the code CMD file. Good to know. Editor settings. Text editor, external. Let's see. Where is the code CMD? Excel. Puck. Okay. Close. Set X path. Why Why do you want to use Rider? I deinstalled it for a reason right now. Project settings. Maybe I fucked something up here. To come on. Plugins, no. Import, no. Shader, outload, organizations, input. Why do you want to use the fucking application? Run, boot, window. UI, common, rendering, editor, movie writer. This is bullshit. Editor. Come on. Come on, input, shredding, network, UI, memory, renderer, compression, debug, physics, editor, script, movie, naming, run, export, version. Come on. That's bullshit. Rider path manager. Godot, disable, rider, path manager. Avoidance. Come on. Did I add this when I open it once in Rider? Come on, you know what? I'm just gonna save this, close Godot, and just hope for the best. Godot. Come on. Okay. Modules. Button. Okay. Why? Can I open it? Godot modules. Command palette. More. Modu. What the fuck is this? Okay, so that doesn't work. So I need to open it manually every time. I hope this fixes itself once I restart my computer, but I'm not gonna do that now. So let's start with operating manual. Come on. Scripts, player manager. There we have it. Okay, so okay. Jump. I think I'm gonna remove the jump. Physics process. Get setting. Default gravity is single. Okay, yeah. Gravity. Private Lord Gravity 0F. And these are gonna be private 2. Private. But I'm gonna add export. Okay. Gravity. Getting settings. Okay. So I need to go to the project settings, and search for physics. Physics engine, default gravity. Come on, 0. Okay, so that should fix it. Yeah. Gravity. 0, float, delta. Okay, so I added. Oh, then I'm gonna remove that. Jump, remove that. Shouldn't get vector. Yeah, okay, that works perfectly. Direction, speed, math, move forward, velocity, move and slide. Body. Okay, that is nice, and can remove all of that, and it should still work. Yeah. Inclusion. Gonna need to build it once. Maybe project settings. Scene. Okay, that doesn't work. Where can I set the main? There is that is in the dev world. Okay. Now I would just need to run. Come on. Saving scene, yeah. Building. And nothing works. Why? Why am I not moving? What? Okay, I didn't look at the video.
First need a private class variable. The
Okay,
could
yeah, current
the
velocity.
I
Physics
prefer move and
process,
slide in the
move and
description
slide.
to where body 2D is what we instead we'll be updating the current velocity bodies move method in the to this to the project settings. Then you can do this.
This is how I will prove
Oh,
that I'm
come
worthy
on.
of the best guild.
Okay, first look. Okay, but we're not giving this back, so base dot physics process delta. Do I need to give that back? I don't think so, but maybe we need.
If by the end of this video your player is moving in the wrong directions, then this could be the source of the problem. You can read more about the getVector method in the documentation. So let's call our handle input method from the beginning of the physics process method. Remember that setting the character body's velocity should be done after calling the method. Now, let's run the game and see what happens. So, our player is moving, but it's super slow.
Wait, where's I moving? No. No, I wasn't.
We can do this by adding a new private use and then in our handle input function, speed. Delta here, however, move your character doing that frame rate independent. However, you really shouldn't be doing that if you're using the move and slide function to move your character body 2D. It's already included in how the function works. Let's test again and see what happens.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna move the video up top. And I'm gonna have to take a look. Okay. So first of all, I'm just gonna okay, so why do you do this shit? No, I don't want export. Okay. So yeah, we need a private vector 2 with the current velocity. But I'm fucking stupid and not holding my Okay, we have the private vector to current velocity. Then public override void physics process. And private void input. So we have this current velocity equals input dot get vector. Okay, so now we need UI left, UI right. Oh, I'm fine. UI right, UI up, and UI down. Then current this current velocity dot equals time speed. This speed. Oh, so that's why she's using. Okay. Yeah, then int would be better. Right? Why is it not working? Just for instant reference. Qualify with the type instead. Huh? Oh yeah, I'm just stupid. But no, this still. Why can't I reference this? Is it because of the export? No. I'm just gonna ignore this right now. And we are gonna call the input manner input manager, and we're gonna set the velocity equals this current velocity, and set move and slide. That should work from what I'm seeing right now. Left, right, up, down. Get input vector, current velocity times speed, and public partial class player manager. Body 2D. Yeah, so from what I'm seeing, this should work. Is it because of this? Oh, come on. Why can't I say this? Still no movement. Oh no, I'm just fucking stupid. I'm just fucking stupid. There were movement. I just put the camera on the player. Of course I can't see the movement. So I need to sit in background. Add child node. Yeah, I'm just going to create a node. Say this is the map. And then create a sprite. And put. Come on. I don't have a background, yeah, so come on. Not example map assets. Okay. I know it's ugly as shit, but I need a reference so I can see my movement. But I think I'm behind the map right now. Yeah, I am. That's wonderful. Yeah, so... No, I'm in front of the map. Okay, let's see. Yeah, but we're fast as shit. Okay, so I'm gonna build it once and switch over here. So let's go. Okay. Now there should be some properties, but I don't see any. It's a const, obviously. I like that I need to build myself. That helps. In Unity it builds every time you're leaving the editor, so it forks everything. You need to wait for everything. And it should be a better movement speed. It's still too fast. But oh, I didn't change it, okay. 100. Let's go. Too fast. Okay. Okay. Now for this, I think the Unity is better because the in the mode in the editor is really good to just change them on the run. That doesn't work here. Why is it so fast? Oh, because I'm zooming, because it's so small. That is shit. Okay. So how am I do this?
Using the move and slide function to move your character body 2D. It's already included in how the function works. To change the speed from the script. However, it at the we can then call for the class here the speed for this specific instance right here. If you want a shisha.
Okay, yeah, no. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Probably with this times speed. But speed. Okay, it's default 0. And we can change it here. Player is 1, but it's still so fast. So what if I make this a float? That should still work, right? I hope. Okay, yeah, now we're getting somewhere. So this, that, and say 0.200. Come on. Okay, that is way better. Okay. Nice. So now let's say 50. Ah, okay, there are signals. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it at 110. And I'm seeing I need to change some settings in Streamlabs. Oh, flashbang. Okay, love it. Chatbox low. And normal chatbox. Good, and the same thing. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, nice. Works. I'm just gonna play some of the modes. I hope that worked. Yeah, but it's on top of me. Fuck. Okay, it didn't change the position there. So you can watch me while I gonna fix that. Alerts. I'm gonna move it up here. Yeah, like this. I like it. So this should work. So to test it, I'm just gonna cruise it. Thank you. Yeah, nice. That looks good. They followed me yesterday, and they're really nice streamers. I'm watching them when they stream, so you can follow them too. Would be nice. But yeah. Let's work. That's good to know. Then I can close this. And you continue with the game, Walter Worms. Let's go. We have the player movement. Nice. Now we need a little dash. Where they jump. Like this. Like little dash to the side. Okay. Just a second. Yo, what the fuck is this? Oh. Wow, they have many integrations. Okay. Yeah, but I don't wanna look at this. Yeah, nice. Now this works. Okay, now let's continue. I think I'm gonna stream 1 more hour and then I'm gonna stop. But we got some progress. You can join my Discord. There you can get the newest updates to my projects. And yeah, this is Walter. And I think, yeah, are we doing the jump next? I think that would be good. And we have the movement down, and we can add weapons after that. Okay, so how are we going to do the dash? We're going to use the space, shift. Yeah, I think space would be best, right? Space for the dash to the side, up, in the movement direction. Yeah, just a dash in the direction you're going. Okay, then let's go with adding it to the project settings and input map. Do we have a jump here? Let me jump there. No. Okay, so we are now making our own method for that. Where is it? don't want to have so much to scroll through, and I'm just seeing I don't have the music turned up. So now let's give have some party.
I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the frets in my head, getting stuck to the race with you. For a sleeping cruise, no.
Oh yeah, that gets. Okay. Okay, no, nothing with that. How am I creating my own? Add? Ah, yeah, okay. Add new action name, that's the dash. Nope, I need to dash. Add. There's dash. And space. And think with buttons. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, yeah. Nope, not the pedals, not the sticks. No. I want the square, circle, cross. A, yeah, that is. Okay, nice. So we have that. And close. Input manager. Let's add a little export with a private float dash boost. Default 0. And then if input dot get action is action just pressed dash then we're gonna this current velocity equals plus equal no times equals and we're adding another dash boost so dash boost and that should add in the same direction when I'm not wrong. So build and that's dash and we add another 400 once. That should give a good boost, right? Okay, so this is a movement and it doesn't give any boost. Okay, so we're gonna change that and input manager. Apply pause. Applying pulse every frame would result in a frame rate dependent pause. Okay. One time. Pulse at central. Okay. Apply central impulse, yeah. Okay, so remove this and go to public override void process current velocity. Apply send oh I'm in the wrong space. Okay, character moving slide, detect collisions. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. That's shit. Okay. Methods. Okay. That's done. Okay. How am I gonna do that now? Okay, so that should give me some feedback. Okay, it triggers, but it doesn't give me any velocity because it's move and slide. I don't know how to do that. With movement slide, but I don't think there is anything like an impulse like on the rigid body. But I don't want to rebuild like everything that's in the character body and use the rigid body. So there must be a way, probably, to do that. But I still don't know how. I don't know why this doesn't work. It's times 5 times 400. Why is it so slow? This probably won't work, but still going to try it. Come on. I mean, yeah, there is a small dash, but it's so small. I think I need to make it like this, 4,000. Maybe this is enough. Okay, wait, let's try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah. Right, so I think there is. Maybe if I. Okay, yeah, that works, but this is way too much. Okay, we're way out of bounds. Okay, that's too much. At least now I have the problem that's too much. That's easier than it does. Too much? Damn. Times 2? Come on. What the fuck? 1.5. Okay. A child note. Text. Love. Chords. Center. Center. Text. is it so big? That's what she said, but come on. How can I scale? Focus, mouse, input, come on. Font sizes. Oh my god, it's already in one. Okay, fuck, I need to reset everything now. Dev underscore ports. Public override void ready. And now we're gonna private label dev ports. Come on, fuck off. God damn it. This dev chords equals, how can I get the thing again? That was here? Get node, yeah. Get node label dev and underscore chords. This dev chords dot text equals x equals transform dot toString. I know that's not gonna, but maybe that gives me the position. Yeah. No. Why?
For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines for
X10, Y01. What the fuck? Okay. X, Y, O? Okay, wait. I'm just stupid. Maybe I don't need this. I can use the debug panel. Me just stupidly. Okay. First I'm gonna clean up this shit that I did here. Just delete that, yeah, save it. And now I'm gonna just gd.put print, and we're gonna print the transform. That should be the local dot origin. Translation. X. If is this the origin? Okay, let's look in the docs and look at the transform. Retargeting, introduction. I just want the introduction maybe here. Vector map, editor, gizmos. Come on. I don't want viewport, Come on. Where is... Okay, let's go down to T, there. Texture. Tab bar, texture, tile map, touch. Come on, where is? Maybe here. Yes. Texture, tile, translation. Come on, where's the transform? Why is there no transform? ST text TCP server, come on. Time, tile data, tween. Translation server, no. I want the transform. Editor only, variant types, is it this? No, maybe? Transform to D, yeah, I finally got it. Okay, origin, X, Y. Come on. I want the global values. Are the global values just the origin? Yeah, I think it, I mean, should be, right? The origin. And with that, we should get some data. Okay, we finally got the position and jump. Why can't I jump? And what am I seeing here? Dash boost. Why does the boost work now? Set dash boost. I didn't change anything. Why is the boost not working now? And it was before, no?
When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away.
Wir sind 7000 away.
I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need
Okay, 7300. So I want to go about how much. If I take the player and I want to jump from here to here, what position am I? Can I see transform? No. God, I hate it. What's the position here? You wanna go about 80, about 100, no, come, 80. Okay. So now we're gonna do some math. We are moving at 110. So 80. No, that's too much. That could work. Nope. 2. Why is it not working now? Okay, this is too much. Bit too much, so let's say 50. Let's say 50, come on. Then we have the base movement done. 40? Is it really the... Huh? But it's a... That's too little. Yeah, that's good. Nice. Okay, so now I can just make yoink. And we are done with the basic movement, right? Yeah, now they're weapons and shooting. I'm gonna rework that, I think. Or are we gonna... Yeah, I think we should make that like one at the end, right? Or are we just gonna come back later and fix it? What do you think? Okay, yeah, nobody there. Okay. Yeah, then... Phew. Wait, let me look at something. Okay. Okay, that is that. Okay, I don't understand. Come on. What the? Okay, I have a really bad timing. Says right now. So why? Okay, let's check something. I'm not logged in Twitch. Yeah, I'm logged in. Okay, maybe it works. I want to check something. The low to high. English. Why am I on the list? Why am I not on the list here? I'm streaming the right thing, right? Yeah, software and game development. Am I in German? No. What? Maybe because I'm logged in this account. Wait. Let me... Chrome. Come on. Okay. Twitch. TV. Okay, we're here. And let's select English. Upload. And let's look through that. Why am I not on the list? I mean, yeah. I should be in the one view category, right? Yeah, there am I. Nice, okay. My stream doesn't look very interesting, I see. That's sparring, damn. Okay. Then I should look how I can... Everything's gray, damn. Okay, how do I fix that? Maybe for the next time, right? What do others have? Okay, big camera, frog. Okay, yeah. They have more views with simpler designs. They have almost nothing on there, but okay, they are big whoop. But come on. Okay. Then yeah, okay, for the next time. Where there? Okay. So I'm gonna put this in for the next time, so you will see all the different things there. Stream to do. Let's update that. Godot research. I think we have good understanding. Project planning GDD. I don't know if we have anything there. So for the next thing we're working on. Let's stream. Dev stream D2. We're gonna rework. Are we reworking or are we just making? Yeah, no, we're not reworking. We're just doing a little prototype for now. So yeah, the next thing would be weapon system. And fun. So next time I'm trying to have more fun, like having more fun projects. I don't know, maybe some games in between. Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. 3.5 hours. That's good. I'm gonna save this and until next time. I think I'm gonna stream next week again Friday, maybe in between. I don't have a set schedule right now. I'm still testing myself how much I can handle. So bye.
Alles gut.